We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Japanese patisserie retail chain selling cakes and bakes from Japan in many countries around the world, in Asia in particular. Now, the important question about it is, how do you pronounce this brand name? The word itself is made to look very French, with this very French accent on the A, just like in the word chateau, and the E acute at the end, probably because French patisserie is obviously very reputable. So it's a positive image for the brand to have this French-looking name. In French, then, this brand name should be pronounced as Châteaurizet. Châteaurizet is how we would say it in French, but the Japanese aren't exactly perfect at pronouncing French. So in Japan, they pronounce it something along the lines of Châteaurizet, Châteaurizet. Now in English, for English speakers, the name is usually said as Châteaurais, for a lack of understanding how to say it otherwise. Châteaurais. I would say the French pronunciation Châteaurizet is probably the one to use, but that's probably because I'm French. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce French patisserie names, whose pronunciations aren't necessarily very obvious to all. See you there to learn more.